Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat idea. This is like a potato pocket that you no longer have to use this saran wrap if you're steaming your potatoes in the microwave. I've always used saran wrap, and it is a pain, and you have to throw it away every time and get new. This is a reusable pocket that all you've got to do is you get your potatoes and you simply just poke them a little bit, and you can just stick them in here. It's a nice little pocket that you can put your potatoes in, and it creates this steam pocket for it. It has all of your directions on here as to what to do, how long to cook them in the microwave. Now, you don't want to put this in the actual oven, but you can put it in the microwave. You just simply stick it in there. I mean, easiest way to make potatoes. You shove it in there, and it says for one potato, it looks like you do about 3 minutes. So we put it on there for 3 minutes. That cooks it up. Here in 3 minutes, we'll have a perfectly steamed potato. Now you can do it with corn on the cob, little tortillas, anything that you want steamed. This is a great little pocket that's about 9.5 by 6.5 that you can use on here. Great for any purpose.